Mighty, upful and powerful. You know, this is the center, the artist from Jamaica, reggae music represent. I'm Mr. Lionfoot TV. Mighty, eyes, and touch the road, Lionfoot. I just one chalice load, yeah. One chalice load, yeah. One chalice load, Lionfoot and touch the road. You know the code. As Lionfoot rise in the morning, give Jah the praise and brush him teeth at the herbs. Nog!
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Bless everyone, greetings all my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. I hope all is blessed. And as usual, this visual finds you all in the best of health, wealth is your wealth. So take care of it, see? Anyone there, all the love and respect, see? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell. Your support is highly appreciated. And so I say, yeah man, if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. Pretty who would like to grow. You see me? Yes, my viewers and subscribers, I don't know. Pick up all of the inactive and active ones them. And I mean, we love the reasoning where we have on the platform now. And trust me, yeah man, I can feel the bond growing. And so I say, remember, if you have any issue or topic, just reach out. Pan me Instagram, inbox me on Instagram, Lionfoot TV, and I will reach out. And so I say, yeah, big up to Sandy Star, who said she never said nothing about General B and Mackerel, man. So that's a lie. Oh, lady and life, turn up.
You chat the girl talk about the girl mouth stink. Oh, General B fuck her and say roll good in her mouth, but her mouth too stink. You forgot?
Yo, me a call
you forgot?
him. No.
I mean, so what kind of friend them? I'm call Nancy.
Yo, General,
and
I'm not Lionfoot. The thing I work. Galaxy phone, the pin I work.
Yo, me never know I used to work Macca.
Yeah.
Lady and life, me there watching up. Yo, lady and say, Sandy Star say, you say. Back a diamond, all good but her mouth. Hello? 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 Man, hang up on me to so, I'm sure if you get her up on the platform, hopefully it can come true, you know? Yeah. Some of you and subscribers in this vlog, you don't know we are present to you, the Flitters Bass, Ragga Ruggie calling out Lionfoot, see? And also, Major Mackerel addressing Gully Bop again. Major Mackerel said Gully Bop get the biggest boss, bigger than even Bob Marley, and waste it. So I'm going to hear Major Mackerel say, see, and Ragga Ruggie after the quick intermission, see? Yeah.
Brand new thing, you know, and it's here. We're team out now, do it our action. How about that them a trend and no ad song? Does it really make sense? That's the question. One of this Jackie where you're demon. Bam!
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, I know that a B-Center, see, big up B-Center. You know what I mean? Bad singer, bad artist. You know what I mean? Yeah, nice, a warrior way. Still have never get the real justice, and he did some great things in the music industry, business, you know? Yeah, so big up B-Center, go and hold them. JNR, Bob Rocks, Wakal, big up. See, now my viewers and subscribers, here where Major Mackerel have to say about Gully Bop.
Yes, my people, this is I, Major Mackerel, live and direct from Kingston, Jamaica. As you see, mango tree, ackee tree, all kind of tree. We're there on the tree. I saw we stay, a studio with it. As you see, we are going with me and Ruddy IRIE. Ruddy IRIE, I look a clash, him a look a name. We are DJ from how long, and I know him no boss. Him a look a name, alright? And me no really a go pay him no mind. Me hear soft mouth make a comment. If you don't know who name soft mouth, a Gully Bop name soft mouth. Gully Bop is a disgrace to Jamaica. You disappoint the world with music. Cause the people them boss you get the biggest boss in the world. Not even Bob Marley no boss big like you one time. The biggest boss you get come out of the gully and you gone back in the gully and go smoke crack. And now you end up a bus back, a try for bus back. I look a hype on Major Mackerel. Gully Bop, I would have go kick you in your mouth, but I don't want to mash up your sex life. I don't have no time for you. So you can go and get your little internet promotion where you get. Seeing boy you want clash. Go clash, you're worthless, you're worthless. You're not broke and nothing and come talk about. Move! You piece of it, yo. Me bam. You Ruddy IRIE, kill the change. Me not have no time for you, yeah? So watch this, spot this, son. Don't mark this.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers. Let me know if you don't agree with Major Mackerel. Zine, I'm saying Gully Bop get the biggest boss and waste it. So me I say, but I don't know, I say you got a life. You know what I mean? Big up Gully Bop same way, still at the music. That's what I say. I don't know. And this is all music, you know, and love, you know, nothing personally. See? Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So next now we have Ragga Ruggie. Here where the Fritters Bar said because where they do a vlog where Major Mackerel say I call out him Ruddy IRIE to kill Ragga Ruggie first. Zine. And then him can, when him kill Ragga Ruggie, then him will answer him. So me I say? So me go do the vlog now and say, yo, Ruddy IRIE, Ragga Ruggie clash. But I love to see it, you know, but I don't prefer to see Ruddy IRIE, Major Mackerel. That me did say Zine, but me say, yo, if Ruddy and Ragga Ruggie did for clash, I put my money on Ruddy IRIE. And I said that honestly. See, big up Ragga Ruggie, I'm an artist, you know, Ragga Ruggie. Fritters Bass, I'm an artist, you know. Zine, likewise Ruddy IRIE and the rest of the artists then. You see me? Yeah, but me just say, but I put my money on Ruddy IRIE. You see me answer? Yeah, and me did say it honestly. I don't want to show thing. I've just been honest with myself. Even if me have to lose, but me don't love to see the clash with the two of them. What you talk about? UK dancer, man, that's fun, you know. But anyway, Ragga Ruggie say, yo. Here we Fritters Bass, I say.
Good morning, people. I'm the prince, you know. Ragga Ruggie, you know. Me I beg on you, know, my fans. Me I beg on you. Brethren, hear me I say. A people here, me run come out of my house, you know, because nobody in my house video me, you know, people. People, listen, my fans and my well-wishers. You see some banger wrong, you know, so me not stay far from it. Yo, some vlogger, please don't call Ragga Ruggie name. If you don't call me name to upliftment me, so I can help more poor people. Brethren, listen me I say, Lion Footer, you a video I go photo. Hear me I say, General. Hear me I say, the person who you tell, say, because the person never call me name. You see the artist who you say, we kill Ragga Ruggie, because Ragga Ruggie don't have a big voice. Listen me I say, I'm going to cut a video short. A 2-time artist they clash. Me and him clash at Peckham where him live. And me and him clash at Alzen. And friend them club. The bar named Nats Bar. Go over to the ask Nats and the people who work there what happened. And we promise, say, we not release the video. And me feel a way in myself. Because I have a heart. And I don't want to see my DJ friend go through that again. I will make a promise I'm not do that to him. Listen me and say, Lion Foot. No artist right now within our life here. Yeah. Brother, I don't know learn. I don't know so I want to gap it thing. I can't done. I have to close it with lyrics after lyrics. I'm telling you something. Ragga Ruggie was a clash artist at the age of 5-year-old growing up. So listen me and say, Lion Foot. Alright, hear me and say, come and cut this shot. Tell a friend, who think them bad. A long time I don't get bricks on a treat. In the park in front of KFC, 7 o'clock. Everything done now. Any artist think them bad. Let me take out my glass. Brixton, 7 o'clock. But I put on my black suit. No. Phone don't tell lie. This don't tell lie. Any boy, Lion Foot, tell a friend. Brixton, 7 o'clock. My clash done now. Who think them bad and who want dead? Brixton at the park where big ugly tree there. 7 o'clock. My sister, one into your mother.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back. Hey, you Fritters Bass. Hey, Ragga Ruggie. Ragga Ruggie said, Lion Foot. Lion Foot. Yo, Fit as boss and kill Ruddy IRIE twice. But I don't want to see them video there, I don't love to see that. No, but Fit as boss, I forgive Fit as boss him credit. When it comes to energy, stage performance, I'm not saying him can't perform or DJ, you know. I'm not saying he can't DJ or sing. You see me? But when it comes to performance, and the big voice and the beat up in belly and, you see me? Entertainment. Yeah, man, I forgive Fit as boss that. His work ethics, promotion, everything, up. You see me? Big up Fit as boss. You know I'm in G, see? Big up the whole Frog City, Pienland. You see what I say? Yeah, man, I want love, man. But you don't know, it's all entertainment. You see what I say? Yeah, so you don't know. Alright, my viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think. If you want to see Ruddy IRIE and Ragga Ruggie clash. You see me? And let me know what you think about Major Mackerel saying about Gully Bop. See? And Ruddy IRIE. You have to go kill Ragga Ruggie if you get to Major Mackerel. See? I look like I saw the thing set. Yeah. Viewers and subscribers, don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell. You see what I say? Yeah, man. About. Not another word out of my mouth.
Who feels it now? Who feels it now? Enough times we got me bed hungry. We couldn't go to let you me shot that ground. In a shame for that. Who feels it now? Who feels it now? Growing up, my life wasn't easy.
Thanks for watching. Your support is highly appreciated. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you will always get that alert when I post a new content. And feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below. Your thoughts and opinion I would like to know. Until then, stay safe. Gone. Walk good. I'm out. God bless you.